Halo semuanya, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tessa Ika Marcella, NPM 234110116 from Class Management 23A. Here I will explain about primary market and secondary market. The first definition of primary market. The primary market is a financial market where new securities are issued and sold to investors for the first time. In this market, companies or government raise funds by selling securities such as stock or bonds directly to investors. The money from the sale goes directly to the company or issuer. Next, characteristic of primary market. In the primary market, securities are sold for the first time and investors buy them directly from the issuing company. This process often happens through an initial public offering or IPO. The main purpose of the primary market is to help companies raise capital for business expansion, investment, or other financial needs. Next, definition of secondary market. The secondary market is a market where previously used securities are bought and sold among investors. In this market, investors trade securities with other investors, not directly with the using company. Stock exchange are common explain of secondary markets. Next, characteristic of secondary market. In the secondary market, securities that were issued in the primary market are traded repeatedly between investors. The company that originally issued the securities does not receive money from this transaction. The secondary market helps provide liquidity, meaning investors can easily buy or sell their investment. Next, difference between primary and secondary market. The primary market and secondary market have different functions. In the primary market, securities are sold for the first time and the user receives the fund. In the secondary market, securities are traded between investor and the issuer does not receive the fund from this transaction. Next, importance of primary and secondary market. Both primary and secondary markets play important roles in the financial system. The primary market helps companies obtain funds for growth and development. Meanwhile, the secondary market provides liquidity and allows investors to trade security easily. And the last conclusion. In conclusion, the primary market is the place where new securities are used to sold to investors for the first time, while the secondary market is where their securities are traded among investors. Both markets are important for supporting investment activities and maintaining the efficiency of the capital market. Okay, that's all. That's all I can say. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.